I'm going to show you basic formatting in PowerPoint. So if you need to bold any text, you can either select the word or text that you want to make bold, and you can say I want the letters O and L in the word bold in bold. I can select that and hit Control B to put it in bold, or to hit the bold icon in the ribbon. If I want the whole box to be bolded with the text, then I can select the shape, which is my rounded rectangle, and I can hit that B in the ribbon, and the whole text is in bold. If you want to unbold something, you can hit Control B or click the button and it will unbold it for you. Now, if you want to make something italicized, you can hit the I in the ribbon underneath your font and it will make it italicized. You can also hit Control I and that will toggle your italics on and off, just like the button. You can also underline text by hitting Control U, and you can also deselect it from your ribbon. You can also add shadows to your text, and you can access that by clicking the text shadow in your ribbon as well, and it can allow it to pop off the shape or slide a little bit more than usual. You can also align text to the left, right, or center it. So say I want this text aligned to the left, you can hit Control L, or you can hit the item on the furthest left-hand side, which signifies aligning your text to the left in the paragraph section of your ribbon. You can also hit Control E to make that centered. And if you want text aligned to the right, you can either use it in the ribbon like this, or you can hit Control R. And finally, one trick that is great as well with formatting is, say you have a desired format for your text or shape. You see this is what I desire, for example. I can select that, and then what I can do is hit Control Shift C, and that will copy the format. I can select whatever I want that format to be transposed onto, and I can then hit Control Shift V. And as you see, it's copied the format across.